Hello, my name is Ami Diamond. In this short episode, I'll talk about what Microsoft has announced about expiring recordings of Microsoft Teams that are stored in SharePoint and in OneDrive. And the message says that the default will be 60 days, and after that, recordings will be deleted. Now, if you go and view the video, you'll see actually metadata that you can see the expiry date, and you can actually say if you want to extend it or if you want never to expire. So let's see how it is, because it just appeared. First of all, in the tenant level, you can go to the admin center of the Teams, and under meeting policies, I'm under global policy. So global, and if I scroll down, you see default expiry time, and you can set it to more or less. Depends on the organization's decision. So this is it. Now, all recordings of team meetings are stored within the OneDrive if it's a one-on-one or group, and under recording. And if I go to one of the recordings and click the information panel, now we have a new metadata that's called expiration date. By default now there's no expiration, but I think from the end of January 22 it will set a 60-day based on the tenant setting. But what the user can do, he can click and select date, and he can define what he wants to do. So for instance, I want to extend it to the 5th, and if I click here, I can extend it by 7, 30 or 60 days, or set it back to no expiration. Now notice if I set it really close, look what it will show me. It will say this video will expire in 1 day and be deleted at this time, and there's some information. Now Microsoft also says that also before the video is time to be deleted, or very close after that, you'll get a message and a mail, and you'll be able to do an action. Anyway, even if the video is deleted, the user has 90 days to restore it from his recycle bin. So this is the example. By the way, the same thing should be on the SharePoint site. So let's check that. We should have also a recording folder also on the team site. I cannot see it here, but I will check and let you know. So hope you learned something, and once it rolls out, I'll make a new video and see how it works. Maybe set the expiration date to 1 day and see what happens to the video. So currently I'm on a targeted release user, so this is why I see it. On other GA user standard, they don't see this metadata. So thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.